We have the Magician card here. So you're manifesting at this time. You have everything you need to manifest your desires. Okay, with the Magician card. It says also can be manipulation. We have the Devil on the bottom of the deck. Alright, so what is this Magician? What is this manifestation? Okay, so we have the King of Cups. So this is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, water sign. There's this water sign here who is trying to manifest something. Possibly they want you to give them your energy, or they want to give you their energy. They want an equal exchange here. This water sign with the Four of Cups popping out, I'm getting this person feels rejected by you, or they want to offer you something and it's gonna come unexpectedly. We have the King of Pentacles. So they're viewing you as successful, stable, business savvy. Right, what's the Four of Cups? And then, yeah, this person feels rejected. Yeah, the Nine of Swords popping out here. This person cannot sleep. They're having nightmares. They're feeling regret because they know that your future is prosperous. They know that your ships are coming in here. There's also some underlining envy, jealousy here as well. Okay, we have the Ten of Swords popping out. So this person is really going through it. They're going through nightmares, terrors of some sort of betrayal they did to you, but something here is over. Yeah, you're happy here. Or I'm also getting you actually made this person happy and is stressing them out. Wow, all these swords. So this person cannot get out of their head. They cannot get out of their head. There's some sort of fighting here. This doesn't have to be a water sign. This could just be somebody that has a lot of love for you, and they're feeling rejected and hurt and in regret. Look at all these swords. This person cannot get out their mind. They cannot get out of their head. Some sort of fighting. There is fighting here. There's conflict. There's fighting about somebody leaving. Somebody wants to leave. Whoa. We have the Lovers and the Two of Cups. So this is a love here. There's lots of love. There's overwhelming love. Like, I'm stuttering upon my words. Like, this person doesn't know how to express how they feel about you, but I do know that they don't want you to leave. This person does not want you to leave with the Lovers and the Two of Cups. The Five of Swords. So there's some envy here, okay? There's some envy, some jealousy at the fact that these two people are coming together. Yeah. This is justice. This is what's supposed to happen here. Yeah, you gotta make things right. Why the Five of Swords in between these two people? The Knight of Wands. So somebody wants to come in and ruin this reunion, these two people coming together. Somebody wants to ruin it with the Knight of Wands. Or I'm also getting somebody is determined to make something work, but we have the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Wands and the Nine of Wands. So somebody's intimidated. Someone's intimidated, somebody's scared. What's this? We have the Hermit card. So somebody's going within and reflecting about how you are the one that made them happy. You are the one with the power, the strength, the confidence. They're realizing who you are. We have the King of Pentacles coming out as well. The Star card. So you're healing, you're receiving clarity, or these people are receiving clarity about you. With the Star card. What's the Star card? What's love? We have the Emperor and the Justice card. So somebody wants to take control of the situation. They want to make things right here. Because you're not playing no games. You're using your intuition. You're using your mind over heart. The Nine of Pentacles. So you're moving forward with your goals, your endeavors, your work here. You're working on your craft. I just heard slow and steady wins the race. You've been through a lot here. You're working on your craft, and you're still going through things. Okay. Yeah, you have somebody who's obsessed here in this toxic. And it knows it's mature. In this toxic energy, somebody's stuck carrying the burdens. Yeah, because you're taking that leap of faith. You're taking that leap of faith, and that leap of faith is going to bring you a lot of success and recognition here. You're very independent, self-efficient. Okay, and you're beautiful too. With the Queen of Wands, this is coming into your new energy. Let's get some cards for advice. The Knight of Wands, the Knight of Swords. So you have somebody here who's watching your progress. By the Knight of Swords. Ooh. Yeah, they want to come in and give you an offer. But I feel like something here is over. Yeah, we have the two knights here. Page of Wands.